Transcribers are in high demand all over the world. The good part is that you get to work from any location, from the comfort of your home. You get to choose your own time, days, and hours. And you need to cash into this opportunity because a lot of people are already making use of this great opportunity. So there's this company currently hiring transcribers from any location. If you're interested and it is what you're looking for, why not watch this video to see this company that I'm going to share with you today. I'm also going to show you the sign up process, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box. If it is what you would like to do, click on the link to sign up. Right, if today is the first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section letting me know that you have signed up. So to become a transcriber, what do you need? You only need a phone or a laptop. You need a strong internet connection. You also need a foot pedal, and of course a PayPal account, because most of these companies pay you out via PayPal. So I want to talk about this one. For people in Africa, some countries in Africa asking how they are going to create how to create a PayPal account. So for instance, someone in Nigeria, please visit a bank and ask for a domiciliary account in dollars or in euro. So when you open that domiciliary account, you can now use that particular account to create a PayPal account. All right, you don't use Naira to create a PayPal account. They don't allow that. So first of all, go to your bank, get a domiciliary account in dollar or euro. Then you can use that and go to paypal.com and sign up for your PayPal account, because most of this company pay through PayPal. So having said that, this company I'm going to share with you today is called transcriptionstaff.com. Yes, they are currently hiring transcribers from any location. Okay, so if you want to start making money in no time, I think you should check them out. Okay, the sign up process is easy. You complete the simple sign up form. It takes you about 2 minutes for the transcription test. Of course, you need to pass a test for you to be accepted. If you're successful, the company will contact you in 2 to 3 days to give you feedback. But if you fail the test, you won't be contacted, and it will take you like 6 months before you can try again. Okay, so the benefit of signing up with them is that you get to work from home. They have flexible work schedule. That's, you make your own work schedule. No one is telling you when or not to work, or when to work or not. You get to choose your own time, and the payment is weekly via PayPal. Again, it pays between £7.50 to £26.50 per audio hour. I always tell you guys that audio hour means even if it takes you 1 minute to complete an audio, it is counted as an hour. You get paid the full amount. So this particular one pays between £7.50 according to the level of your expertise. Because they're hiring beginners and experts, doesn't mean that there will not be discrepancies in the payment level. So if you're a beginner, don't expect to be paid as much as they will pay someone that's an expert. That is why it is also good, even though they are taking you as a beginner, it is very important that you take some courses online. There are so many free courses online that can help you, become more to become expert, all right, to get you certified as a transcriptionist. So some of these courses are free, while some you have to pay a little amount of money to get certified. So I suggest you take these courses. Again, you must be able to type between 50 words per minute, okay, before you can be taken, between 40 to 50 words per minute. So even if it takes you 1 minute, like I said, to complete an audio, it is counted as an hour. So you get to choose your own project. No one is telling you what to do, when to work, or which work to do. No, you get to choose your own work. You get to work from your home. Okay, so you need a computer, internet connection, and the headset. And also, because it's flexible, you must make sure to complete at least 2 audio hours every week to keep your account active. So because it's flexible, don't ignore it and just abandon the account. No, make sure you complete at least 2 audio hours per week to keep your account. This particular job I'm telling you about, transcription job, is very is in high demand. A lot of people are looking for it. That is why sometimes most of these companies say they are not hiring, is because there are so many applications on their desk. So if you're given the opportunity and you're being selected for this particular job, don't ignore it and maybe focus on your 9 to 5 and then forget about it. You're going to lose it. So make sure you keep active by completing at least 2 audio hours every week to keep your account. So you can earn up to £26.50 per hour. Okay, so for people, according to the urgency of the audio, you can even earn more. If the audio needs to be completed urgently and you take up the job and do it, you could earn more. Okay, you can also become a full-time staff. Quit your 9 to 5 and become a full-time staff. So you will receive about 30% bonus with this particular company. So they offer weekly payment with the minimum payout of $3. So once you get up to $3, you will receive your payment weekly, and they have 24/7 support, so you can contact them anytime you want. You can choose your own projects. No one is going to tell you what to do. Okay, so when you come here, you can either click here to complete the test. So you sign up, click here, apply now, sign up, and once you sign up, okay, let's sign up together. So this is it. You listen to this audio.
Worked there for around nearly 6 years in charge of standard tracking, programming, and over migration.
So this is why you need a headset. You actually need a headset to become a transcriber, to do this transcribing work. You need a headset so that you can hear what they are saying, because they're going to transcribe everything words for word. Even the words that are not clear, you must also put it there. This is how it works. So when you come here, put your headset on. I can't do it now because obviously I don't want this video to be too long. Put your headset on and then listen and answer the questions. So if you pass, you'll be contacted in a few days. So again, like I said, you'll be paid via PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you get a test. If you fail, make sure you get a PayPal account. If you fail the test, they will only contact you if your application is successful. But if you fail it, you cannot reapply for 6 months because it's in high demand. So but when you pass, they will email you. Okay, then if you pass and you're taken, you will receive an email notification when work is available. It's automatic, and they have about 100 to 250 jobs per day, so you have unlimited number of jobs to complete. Unlimited number of jobs to complete. So they claim to offer the highest pay rate to experienced transcribers with 50 words per minute. So like I said, if you want to become faster in your typing, I suggest you go for you take lots of courses online for beginners friendly. Try out their courses and see if you will increase your typing speed. Okay, because according to how fast you are, that is the amount of money you're going to make from this work, because they work in audio hour. It's not something they give you to complete within a week. No, it's by audio hour. If you want to make a lot of money, you need to increase your typing speed. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.